What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in Robbinsville, New Jersey, and I actually just wrapped up for the day. I'm putting together my film, and I realized I did not do an intro and an outro for my customer testimonial. So I do want to give the customers insight. I'm going to put him onto this YouTube video so that you can hear about his experience with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys would like to purchase anything you see in this theater, which I did a full walkthrough on, just feel free to reach out. We would be happy to help you out. We have a free design service as well. All right, guys, let's get into this video.
I would say pretty much I'm very much satisfied with the outcome of the entire setup. Zach from Dreamedia, he really helped me from starting from planning and purchasing and then getting it installed. And he also recommended Jose from Wire Ninjas. I didn't know Wire Ninjas before then, so I went through Wire Ninjas. I found Jose, who is our AV installer. He did a fantastic job. Jose and Zach, both of them, they collaborated, and then they helped me set up this beautiful 11.2 setup system with Atmos and two subwoofers. It's superb. When we watch movie with Atmos, we don't even feel like that we are watching from home. It feels like we are in a real movie theater. It's really great.
It's enough said. Perfect. Thank you. I appreciate your kind words. All right. As you can hear, we care about our customers, and we make sure that these projects are totally and 100% done to the customer's satisfaction. If one of our preferred partners are put onto the project, we not only back the customer, but we back our partner, and we make sure that the job is completed through and through 100%. And then, of course, we have all of the industry-leading top manufacturers to choose from with that nationwide free shipping and low price guarantee. So say you're not here in New Jersey, you're not in New York, you're not in Virginia, Maryland, DC, Texas, which we are all over Texas, Colorado, California, Anaheim, LA, all those good areas. Well, guess what, guys? I'm going to keep building that network up so that we have these 5-star rated pros. And if you're in another territory, we can still drop ship the product to you, and you can follow along with one of our DIY videos. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.